In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a CIBC bank account online. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into Google, and then you're going to search for CIBC bank account, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do is to select this one right here. So select this result right here, because then you should be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you get to this page right here. Now the most important thing, you will be able to get a couple of options with different accounts, as you can see. For example, if you want to be able to open up an account right here, or a savings account, or a plus account, as you can see, and they all have different kind of fees. As you can see, this one has 6.95 to 16.95, as you can see. This one actually has 0, and this one has almost $30, as you can see, as a monthly fee. So what you're going to do right here is to actually check which one you think is the best for you. But for this case, I'm just going to take this one right here just to demonstrate to you. So I'm going to click on apply now, and then I'm taken to this page. Now what I'm going to do is to just scroll down, then I'm going to click on let's go. And as you can see, if you're already a CIBC client, then you can click right here. But if you're not, then you're going to click right here, no continue application, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do right here is to actually fill out your first name and last name as it appears on your ID, as you can see. So make sure that this is correct, and then the next step is going to be for you to fill out your month, day, and year, what kind of year that you're actually born, day, and the month, as you can see. Then you will need to fill out your email address, your mobile or landline, as you can see, and make sure that this one is correct as well. That's very important. You will need to add your address. You will also need to add your tax information, as you can see. If you're a resident of Canada, you need to click on yes, but if you're not, then you need to click on no. Are you a US person for tax purposes? As you can see, yes or no on this one as well. Are you a tax resident of any other countries? For example, if you are, then you're going to click on yes, and then you will need to also fill out what kind of country that you pay taxes in. As you can see, you will also need to fill out this number right here. So this is basically what you're going to do. You need to also scroll down in here and fill out what kind of occupation or what kind of work that you're actually doing right now. And there's going to be a couple of more, what will you use this account for? You need to specify your usage. For example, if you're going to use it to pay for a car, or to basically, have this for your account as a payment for your car, for example. And you will need to also review this one right here. And when you're done, you can click on agree right here, and then click on submit. And this is basically exactly how to open a CIBC bank account online. Let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.